So whenever we open, you see it's closed and it's dripping water. It does the same thing in the back, right there. So let's open here. See? Right there. And right here, even though this is closed. And because of that, sometimes it goes under the sink. Let me show you. So it ended up forming this stuffing on under the sink right here, because right here, you should see it, the water coming down. It comes down through the pipe as well, and see. And another thing is, we already asked to go through the sink, and also things are like all rotten, oxidized, right here, right there, right here, and also right here, right here, right there. But the main thing is the water is dripping here from the faucet, coming down from the faucet. Thank you.